two on each side of the house.
I know you've been wasting time. You don't need me, but I really don't mind. Hey, you always say that you are fine. I know you don't, baby, you can't deny it. Calling my phone on my alarm. You need someone, but you don't know. You are confused. I'm so in love. Baby, tonight, show me your love. I know you've been wasting time. You don't need me, but I really don't mind it. You always say that you are fine. I know you don't, baby, you can't deny it. Calling my phone on my alarm. You need someone, but you don't know. You are confused. I'm so in love, baby, tonight. I know you can hear my heart beating 100 miles away. I know you can hear my heart. You can feel my heart. Feel my heart. Yeah. I know you can hear my heart beating 100 miles away. I know you can hear my heart. You can feel my heart. Feel my heart. Yeah. I know you've been wasting time. You don't need me, but I really don't mind it. You always say that you are fine. I know you don't, baby, you can't deny it. Calling my phone on my alarm. You need someone, but you don't know. You are confused. I'm so in love, baby, tonight. I know you've been wasting time. You don't need me, but I really don't mind it. You always say that you are
Hey y'all, happy Friday. Welcome back to a new vlog. So it is almost 9 o'clock and your girl is already tired, y'all. Like, I've been real, what's the word, y'all? I don't even know what to call it because I put that pantry sign up. Y'all seen me just do that. And then I did Trinity's bathroom. Your girl is tired, okay? And then I'm working on laundry right now. I actually just did an Instacart order. I just got the groceries just sitting up here on the couch, y'all. They had just came and gave me my groceries. So I just got everything just sitting right here, y'all. I wanted to make a banana pudding this weekend. So I'm gonna do that today. I got some more milk, got some more cleaning stuff. They wanted fried chicken wings today, so that's what we're gonna do today, y'all. But your girl is tired. I'm actually probably about to try to put Trinity to sleep so that I can get some things done. I need to go actually finish the laundry, and I hear that those had just stopped, so I need to go do that. Did Trinity's laundry yesterday. She's done. It's our laundry, me and Bay's laundry, and Bay washed some of his stuff already, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up for him because I need to wash my stuff too. I need to edit the vlog. Y'all will probably get that vlog. The vlog will already be out by the time y'all see this anyway. And most likely the me doing Trinity's bathroom will be on video. So y'all will probably get that before this or after this. I don't know, y'all. I don't know which one I'm gonna edit first. I just need to pull the footage from my camera onto my computer. So that's gonna take a minute. But yeah, I'm about to try to put Trinity to sleep. I'll probably catch up with y'all when I get ready to cook dinner, to be honest, because there's not really anything else going on that's even worth me recording, y'all. I am going to plan on decorating for Christmas this weekend, y'all. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I do need to go get a few more decorations. I do need to pull out my Christmas decorations so that I can see what I have. And I do have a front porch this year, so we got to get some stuff for that. Of course, I'm going to take y'all along with me when I go shopping for that stuff. She's over here playing in my groceries. I will talk to y'all later on. Hey y'all, so I'm about to get ready to make dinner. I didn't want to get on camera because your girl looks busted up right now, y'all. I've been cleaning up the house and just, you know, working on things. So I'm about to get ready to fry this chicken. I'm gonna fry it in a little bit. I'm gonna let the seasonings and everything soak into the chicken first, and then I'm going to cook it. I am going to season it first, and then I'm gonna put this yellow mustard on there. But I'm just season it with some seasoned all first. Okay, I gotta use the big side. So I'm gonna do season all And I heavy season, okay, because the seasoning falls off when you fry it. So I do heavy season. This is garlic powder. Then I'm gonna add some sea salt. I don't normally add sea salt, but I normally add in some Sazon, but I don't have any. So, and then I'm going to add in some smoked paprika. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. I still don't have my gloves yet, y'all, so I'm still, you know, if you watch my previous videos where I'm cooking, you know, these plastic bags, they come in handy as gloves if you have nails. So like the seasonings and stuff won't get stuck up under your nails. And I did wash my chicken. Please wash your chicken, y'all. I know a few people who work in those chicken plants and chicken factories, y'all. Trust me, y'all gonna wanna wash your chicken. All right, so now that's all mixed up. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some yellow mustard as the base. And then I sometimes make mine, I'll just alternate with eggs. I'll do like eggs and buttermilk, or I'll it just depends. I'll alternate, but today we're gonna be using yellow mustard. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. I got eggs boiling. Bae wanted deviled eggs, and I'm gonna make baked beans on the side. I may throw in some rice, I don't know yet, but for right now we're gonna have baked beans. Bae's gonna have deviled eggs with his. I don't eat deviled eggs, so that's gonna be him. All right, y'all, so I got the oil already heated up. I already seasoned my flour, put it in this freezer bag. So I'm about to go ahead and take the chicken and mix it all around in the flour. And I'm just gonna mix the chicken around in the flour just to make sure it's all coated up. And I like to use the freezer gallon bags because these are more like durable than those regular not gallon bags. What are they called, y'all? I think they are called gallon bags. I like to use the freezer kind because the regular kind, they always rip easy. For doing this for so many times, y'all, I realized that these bags are the best to do it in. Our chicken is nicely coated. So I'm gonna just keep it at 3. This is what I put my chicken on after it comes out of the oil. It drains all the grease from the chicken. So that's why I like to use this rack. And I just put it like on a baking pan with some napkins up under. And I like to let it like cook for about 7 to 10 minutes on both sides, just to make sure that it's done in the inside. I am done cooking my chicken. I know this will be enough for me and Bae, and I'm sure there's gonna be leftovers. So we'll probably be eating this tomorrow too. Right now, I'm making the baked beans. I put some of this barbecue sauce in there that I got from a Walmart. That'll probably be it for today. I'll probably pick y'all up tomorrow. I don't know what we're doing. I really want to decorate my house for Christmas. Y'all seen me take like all the fall stuff down. All that's done. Like I still got the little hooks up on my doors for my Christmas stuff, so I left those up there because I want to get some little wreaths to put on the doors, so, or bows. I haven't decided yet, but something's going up on them doors, okay? So yeah, we may do some Christmas decorating tomorrow. I may put my tree up. So yeah, I'll be picking y'all up tomorrow.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We'll get those two. I can put them on each side of the house.
Or these, something like this.
How much are they? 14?
They both $7.99, so $14.
I think I like that one better.
So you want 2 of these?
Should we just do 2?
You can do 2 if you want. 2 of
And
these?
just see what else they got?
Yeah. But this is in the front, though. This is the front section.
The front of the house?
Yeah, this is the front of the house. Everything else.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to look and see what else.
So we can do 2 of these on the other side.
Yeah, 2 on each side of the house.
Unless you want something like this that glows up in the dark, they can go in the front.
I do want something that glows, but I guess we can look and see what they got and then come back.
Okay.
Let's get Snoopy and
Yeah. Then we still you can get the
Johnny
welcome. Oh, this is stuff. Cheese.
yeah, that's gonna be cute. for any of my people that like pink for Christmas. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So I have not talked to y'all all day. I've seen me and Bay and Trin go to At Home. I went to go look for a few Christmas decorations. Y'all also saw me put up a few. I pretty much just put up a few things outside. I'm not done yet. Nowhere near done. I also put up a few things inside. Nowhere near done with the inside either. The place where I want to put my Christmas tree at, we got to do some moving around. We have to, because the desk is where I want my tree to be at. I don't even know if I'm gonna finish this weekend. Whenever Bay can get to moving the desk around, that's when I'm gonna go full force. And then I also need to go to the store and get more decorations. My throat feels like real dry right now. Right now I'm at Publix to get a few groceries. Bay wanted me to make manicottis tonight, so that's what I'm gonna do tonight. So I need to get the stuff for that and just a few like snacks and just things for us to eat throughout the week.
Since we've no place to go,